Welcome to today's lesson on cells. In this presentation, we will explore what cells are, the differences between plant and animal cells, and their important structures and functions. A cell is the smallest unit of life. All organisms, from the simplest bacteria to complex humans, are made up of one or more cells. The first cells were discovered by Robert Hooke in the year 1665. He used a simple microscope to observe cork and saw tiny box-like structures. Organisms can be unicellular, meaning they have only one cell. Examples include bacteria and some algae. Others are multicellular, like plants and animals, with many cells working together. There are two main types of cells. Prokaryotic cells, which do not have a nucleus, and eukaryotic cells, which contain a nucleus. Prokaryotic cells are simple. They do not have a nucleus. Their genetic material floats freely in the cytoplasm. Bacteria are good examples. Eukaryotic cells are more advanced. They have a defined nucleus that holds their genetic material. Plants, animals, fungi, and protists all have eukaryotic cells. Plant and animal cells are both eukaryotic cells, meaning they have a nucleus and other structures enclosed in membranes. However, they also have some key differences. Both plant and animal cells have common structures such as the nucleus, which controls the cell's activities. Cytoplasm, where chemical reactions occur. The cell membrane, which controls what goes in and out. And mitochondria, which provide energy. Plant cells have extra parts. They have a cell wall for support, chloroplasts that carry out photosynthesis, and a large vacuole that stores water and nutrients. Animal cells do not have a cell wall. They usually contain small vacuoles and sometimes have lysosomes that help with digestion of waste materials. This is a plant cell. It contains a nucleus, a cell membrane, a cell wall, chloroplast, a large vacuole, cytoplasm, and mitochondria. Here is an animal cell. It contains a nucleus, a cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, and small vacuoles. Let's compare both cells side by side. Both have a nucleus, but only plant cells have a cell wall and chloroplast. Plant cells also have large vacuoles and a fixed shape, while animal cells are more irregular. Let's test your understanding. Question 1. Which structure controls all the activities of the cell? Is it A, ribosome, B, nucleus, or C, mitochondrion? Question 2. Which type of cell has no nucleus? A, animal cell, B, plant cell, or C, bacterial cell? Question 3. Which organelle is responsible for energy production in the cell? A, mitochondrion, B, nucleus, or C, chloroplast? Now, for the short answer section. Question 4. Name one difference between a plant cell and an animal cell. Question 5. What is the function of ribosomes in the cell? Question 6. Who discovered cells and in what year? Question 7. What is the smallest unit of life called? You can pause if you need more time to answer the questions. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.